Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So children, as you all know that today this is our online English class and today we are going to do our book of spelling power. Okay, so I hope children that last week I gave you one exercise of this book spelling power. So I hope you all have completed that work in your spelling power book. Now today we are going to do another exercise. So for that please take out your spelling power book number 2 for class 2. Is that clear? Now turn to page number 7. As you can see here, page number 7 is written. Okay, matching words. Now this is chapter number 2, matching words of spelling power. So children, first of all our question is circle the right word which matches with the picture. Now here some pictures are given and 2 words are also given. Whichever word is correct for that picture, you have to tick mark that correct word. Okay, like here in this picture this is a chain which is given. Okay, so here are 2 words given, CHAIN chain or RAIN rain. Okay, 2 words, and which is matching correctly here with chain, this CHAIN chain. So this one is already done for you. This word is correct, so we have put a tick mark in front of this word. Is that clear? Now in this same manner we have to complete this page. So are you all ready? Very good. So in the second picture children, you can see that there are some girls standing with their books. Okay, so books are on the table. So here 2 words are given, LEAD lead and READ read. Which one will be matching this picture? Read, READ read. So we will put a tick in front of this word. Okay, and why read is matching here? Because we can see the girls are standing and they are reading the books. Okay, so that is why they will read the book. So read is the correct word which is matching with this picture. Coming to the next word, next picture. In this picture you can see this is a picture of a man who is trying to speak something. Okay, he is speaking something. So the 2 words are SNEAK sneak and the second word is SPEAK speak. So which one is correct for this picture? Speak, SPEAK speak. So we will put a tick mark in front of speak like this. Okay, now coming to the next picture. In this you can see a girl is sleeping. So there are 2 words again given, SLEEP sleep and WEEP weep. So which is the correct word which is matching with this picture? The first one, sleep. Okay, so we will put a tick in front of the word sleep. Now coming to the next picture. In this picture you can see this is a shirt, SHIRT shirt and FIRST first. The 2 words are given and which one is matching with this picture correctly? The word shirt. Okay, the shirt word is matching with this picture correctly, so we will put a tick in front of the word shirt. Clear to you all? Now coming to the next picture, in which this is a spoon. Okay, which is drawn here and the 2 words are STOOL stool and SPOON spoon. So which is the correct word for this picture? Spoon. So we will put a tick in front of the word spoon. Clear to you all? Now coming to the next part, next picture. In this picture you can see a boy with wearing a uniform is sitting on a bench and writing something on table on a paper. So that means this boy is in a classroom. Okay, now where he is writing something. So there are 2 words given, REST rest and TEST test. So with these 2 words we have to find that which is the correct word for this picture. So as you can see, rest, this boy is not doing any kind of rest here. He is writing. So he is writing in a notebook. That means he is giving a test. So the test word is matching clearly with this picture. So what we will do, we will put a tick in front of the word test. Is that clear? Now coming to the next picture children. In this picture you can see a palette of colors. Okay, a color palette and a paintbrush and watercolors and tube colors. Okay, here there are some colors also kept. So in this with this picture there are two words given. One is FAINT, faint, and the other is PAINT, paint. So which is the correct word for this picture? Paint, 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 because here the paints are kept. So we will put a tick mark in front of the word paint like this. Is that clear? Now coming to the last picture, in which you can see these are clouds drawn. Okay, these are all clouds. So there are two words given, CLOUD, cloud, and LOUD, loud. So which is the correct word for this picture? First one, CLOUD, cloud. So we will put a tick in front of this word. Is that clear, children? So I hope you all have understood this page, this part very clearly. Once again I am repeating. Listen to it very carefully, children. In this exercise, what you have to do, that you have to take the correct word which matches with the picture. Okay, so first one, this is a chain. There are pictures given, and and two words are also given with each picture. You have to look at the picture and identify that which word is matching with that picture. Clear? So in this first picture there is a chain drawn. So here there are two words given, chain or rain. Correct word is chain, CHAIN, chain. So we will put a tick in front of it. Then in the next picture we can see some girls standing and they are having books in front of them. That means they are going to read. So lead will not be the correct option, correct word for this picture. Read will be the correct word for this picture. So we will put a tick in front of read. Then second is, in this third picture you can see a man talking, he's speaking something. So in this there are two words given, sneak and speak. So the correct word for this picture will be speak. So we will put a tick in front of the word speak. Next is, in this you can see the girl is sleeping. So there are two words given, sleep and weep. The correct word for this picture is sleep. Is that clear to you all? So we will put a tick in front of sleep. Next picture, you can see this is a picture of a shirt, and the two words given are shirt and first. So which will be the correct word for this picture? Shirt. So we will put a tick in front of the word shirt. Now coming to the next picture, in this picture a spoon is drawn. Spoon, which it is a kind of utensil, and you used to use it for eating. Okay, so spoon, and the two words given is stool and spoon. So correct word is spoon. You will put a tick in front of the word spoon. Coming to the next part, that is, in this you can see a boy wearing a uniform sitting in the classroom writing something in his notebook. So the two words are rest and test. Absolutely, we can see that this boy is not doing any kind of rest. He is giving his test. So test is the correct word. So we will put a tick in front of test. Second is faint or paint. In this picture you can see there are paints given. So the correct word will be PAINT, paint. Clear to you all? And in the last picture you can see this is a picture of cloud. So the two words given are cloud and loud. Correct word is cloud. So we will put a tick in front of the word cloud. So that is all in this exercise, children. So I hope you all have understood this exercise clearly. Now moving towards switching towards our part 2 video, in which I will be doing next page. Is that clear? So I want you all to complete this page by today. Till my next video, bye bye.